Mars is the third largest rocky planet in our solar system, located further from the Sun compared to Earth. The average distance between Mars and the Sun is approximately 230 million kilometers. The average temperature on Mars is around -63 degrees Celsius, but during midday at the equator, it can reach up to 20 degrees Celsius, while at the poles, temperatures can drop to as low as -153 degrees Celsius. In the distant past, Mars had all the essential elements and conditions for life, much like Earth. However, the planet's magnetic field started to weaken due to changes in its internal core. This loss of magnetic strength caused the solar winds to strip away much of the planet's atmosphere, ionizing the gases and causing water vapor to disperse into space. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, Mars, like other planets in the solar system, was formed. However, its magnetic field diminished around 4 billion years ago, leading to the gradual loss of its atmosphere and water over billions of years. Despite these harsh conditions, it's possible that simple microbial life could have existed beneath the surface of Mars, surviving the drastic changes. That's why NASA and other space agencies, including China, Russia, India, and the UK, are keenly searching for signs of ancient life on Mars. Such discoveries could provide crucial evidence about the origins of life on Earth and elsewhere in the universe. Two missions on Mars have made some strange and remarkable discoveries that have left scientists baffled. In this video, we'll discuss these findings, particularly the peculiar rocks found on Mars. The story begins around 15 years ago with NASA's Spirit rover, which explored Mars from 2004 to 2011. One day, by chance, the rover's wheel got stuck in a rock, revealing a pure silica deposit inside. This was one of the Spirit rover's most significant discoveries. Silica is typically formed in hot environments or by the presence of hot water. This discovery hinted that Mars might have once had such conditions. Later, NASA's Curiosity rover, which has been on Mars since 2012, continued this exploration. During its mission, the Curiosity rover also stumbled upon something unique. As it moved over a rock, the rock broke apart, revealing sulfur crystals. These crystals, greenish-yellow in color, were found in their pure elemental form, a rarity on Mars. This discovery challenges our understanding of Mars chemistry. Pure sulfur on Earth is usually found in environments like hydrothermal vents or volcanic regions. Its presence on Mars suggests similar conditions might have existed there. Scientists are now using machine learning to identify and analyze such rocks more efficiently. Recently, they discovered a rock formation on Mars named Shiva Falls, resembling a waterfall in Arizona. This rock features a thin layer of white calcium sulfate formed by water flow. What makes this discovery even more fascinating is the presence of small white spots on the rock, surrounded by a deep red material, possibly iron and phosphate. These spots, known as leopard spots or reduction spots, are common in sedimentary rocks on Earth and are often linked to the presence of ancient life. The presence of these spots on Mars suggests that, in the distant past, life might have existed on the planet. This discovery has piqued the interest of geologists and scientists alike, as it could be evidence of life on Mars. The search for life on Mars continues, and each new discovery brings us closer to understanding whether Mars once harbored life. Stay tuned as we unravel more mysteries of the red planet.